EAPCET Maths 2A Binomial Theorem. First question. If k is the coefficient of x power 5 in the expansion 2x square minus 1 by 3x cube whole power 5, then 3k by 2 equal to, and these are the given options. So to find the coefficient of x power 5, how to take the general term. So the general term is tr plus 1 equal to, here minus is there, so start with minus 1 whole power r, ncr x power n minus r a power r. X is the first term and a is the second term. So minus 1 whole power r, we don't know r, so r, n is 5, so 5cr, x is the first term, 2x square whole power n minus r, so nothing but 5 minus r, and a power r, a is the second term, so 1 by 3x cube whole power r. So here to find the coefficient of x power 5, just take the x terms, only x terms. So here x terms are x power 2 into 5 minus r, and denominator x power 3 whole power r, so x power 3r, which is equal to x power 5. So to find r value, we are equating the coefficient of both sides x power 5. So x power multiply 2 5 is 10 minus 2 into r, this 3r, if it is writing in the numerator, it will be minus 3r equal to x power 5. So 10 minus 5r equal to 5, 5r equal to 5, and r is 1. So after getting 1, we need the coefficient of x power 5. The coefficient of x power 5 equal to minus 1 whole power r, r is 1, 5c r is 1, and to take only the coefficients, here no need to write x. So 2 power 5 minus 1, and denominator 3 power 1. So minus 5c1 is 5, so 2 power 4 by 3 is the coefficient of x power 5. But in the question it is given k is the coefficient of x power 5. So the coefficient of x power 5 is equal to k, but we need to find 3k by 2. Therefore 3k by 2 equal to 3 by 2 into k is minus 5 into 2 power 4 by 3. Here 3 is cancelled and 1, 2 is cancelled. So the leftover thing, minus 5 into 2 cube, 8 5s are 40. So minus 40 is the answer. Next question, the coefficient of 8th term in the expansion of 1 plus x whole power 10. Here n is 10. Okay, coefficient of 8th term, t8. t8 can be written as t7 plus 1, and this is in the form of tr plus 1. So r is 7. So here 8th term, the coefficient is ncr x power n minus r a power r, but here 1 is there. So for first term no need to write, and x power directly the suffix. So ncr x power r, and n is 10, 10c 7 x power 7. Okay, but the coefficient of 8th term, so only the coefficient of 8th term equal to 10c7. But in combinations, we have another way to find 10c7, which is equal to 10c 10 minus 7. So 10c3 formula, 10 into 9 into 8. Take 3 numbers and multiply them in decreasing way. Take 3 numbers and denominator 3 factorial. So 3 into 2 into 1. So 3 3s and 2 5s. So 5 3s are 15 and 15 into is 120. So 120 is the answer. Next question, if the absolute term are independent of x in the expansion of root x minus k by x square whole power 10 is 405, then k is, here absolute term nothing but independent of x means x power 0. X power 0 is called independent. So the coefficient of x power 0 is 405. The coefficient of x power 0 is 405. Coefficient of x power 0. Okay, for this we are using general term to find r. Minus 1 whole power r, NCR, x power n minus r, a power r. Here minus is there, that's why we are taking minus 1 whole power r. And n is 10. So minus 1 whole power, r, 10 CR, x is the first term, root x whole power 10 minus r, and the second one is k by x square whole power r. To find the coefficient, we are equating the coefficient of x power, root x can be written as 1 by 2, power 1 by 2, so 10 minus r by 2, and denominator x power 2 whole power r, x power 2r, which is equal to x power 0 because independent of x. So x power 10 minus r by 2 minus 2r equal to x power 0. So both sides we can take 10 minus r minus 4r, taking LCM, and denominator is 2 equal to 0. So 10 minus 5r is 0 and 5r is 10, r equal to 2. R is 2. Therefore, the coefficient of x power 0 equal to, here in this expansion, put r equal to 2 and take only the coefficient. So, minus 1 whole power 2, 10c2, don't write x terms, k power 2. So, which is equal to 405. It is given which is equal to 405. So 10c2 k square is 405. 10c2, 10 into 9, take only two numbers, 10 into 9 and denominator 2 into 1. So 2 5s, 5 into 9 is 45. So k square is 405 by 45, 45 9s 405. So k square equal to 9, then k equal to plus or minus 3. So k is plus or minus 3. Next question, the degree of the polynomial x plus root of x power 4 minus 1 whole power 9 plus x minus root of x power 4 minus 1 whole power 9. So 9c0 x power 9 minus 0 plus 9c1 x power 9 minus 1 8 x power 4 minus 1 under root whole power, just write the suffix for the second term, and so on, plus, and this expansion 9c0 x power 9, this is minus, so take alternate plus minus, so minus 9c1 x power 8 x power 4 minus 1 under root whole power 1 plus so on. Here the second term get be cancelled and the third term, so only the remaining terms are, each one is twice, so 2 times of 9c0 x power 9 and the second term is cancelled. Third term will be 9c2 x power 9 minus 2 7 and the second part x power 4 minus 1 whole power 2 plus so on, and the last term will be 9c8, 9c0, 9c2, 9c4, 9c6, 9c8. 9c8 x power 9 minus 8 x power 4 minus 1 under root whole power 8. Okay, here degree of the polynomial means the highest power of x. So what will be the highest power of x? Here we can see the highest power here. So in this, what is exactly the power of x? Here take this last term 9c8 x power 1 x power 4 minus 1 whole power 8 can be written as 2 whole power 4 and square root get be cancelled. So 9c8 x and root cancelled, x power 4 minus 1 whole power 4. So after expanding x power 4 into 4, x power 4 minus 1 whole power 4. So after expansion it will be x power 16. It is x power 16 and this is 1. So x into x power 16, x power 17. So this is the highest power. So that is called the degree of the binomial expansion. Here the options are 14, 15, 16, 17. So these are the options. So our answer is 17. If a greater than 0 and the coefficient of x square in this expansion ax cube plus c by x whole power 6 is 60, then what is a c square? These are the options. The coefficient of x square in this expansion. So to find the coefficient, we are taking the general term here plus, so directly write NCR x power first term power n minus r, second term power r. So here r we don't know, so to find r we are just finding r. So to find r we are taking the x terms, only the x terms, x cube whole power n minus r into, this is in the denominator, so x power r, which is equal to x square. So x power 3 whole power n is 6 minus r by x power r equal to x square. So x power 18 minus 3r, this r becomes minus r in the numerator, which is equal to x square. So 18 minus 4r is 2, 4r equal to 16, r equal to 4. Okay, the coefficient of x square in this expansion is equal to 60. Coefficient of x square in this expansion is 60. So to get the coefficient of x square, just take the coefficient of the general term. N is 6c, r is 4, a x cube, don't write x terms, and n is 6, r is 4, and c power 4 equal to 60. 6c4, better option to find 6c4 is 6c2. A power 2, c power 4 is 60. 6 into 5 by 2 into 1. A c square whole square. So it can be written as a c square whole square equal to 60. So 2 3's, a c square whole square is 60. 3 into 5, 15 equal to 4. So a c square whole square is 4. Then a c square is plus or minus 2. Plus or minus 2. Okay, but in the question it is given a greater than 0. A must be positive. C square. Okay, it is already positive because square of any non-negative number is also positive. So a is positive. So that's why we are taking a c square is plus 2 since a is greater than 0. So the answer is 2.